Students, so we were reading lesson number 12, conjunctions. In the last video we have completed question number 1. Now let's see question number 2. Join the pairs of sentences suitably using and, or, but, because, so. See the first question. My brother enjoys playing cricket. I dislike it. So here two opposite sentences are there. First sentence is positive and second one is negative. So here what will apply? Yes, but. So we'll join the sentences using but. My brother enjoys playing cricket, but I dislike it. Likewise, let's see the second sentence. You must do some exercise. You will get fat. So, here, you must do some exercise or you will get fat. Okay. So, like this, you need to complete all the work. Now, before completing, let's revise once more what these conjunctions and, or, but, because and so are used for. See, or is used to show alternatives or different possibilities. So there were two different possibilities. Either you do exercise or you will get fat. So we have used or. But is used to introduce a phrase or a clause or the idea that is different from what has been mentioned. So in the first sentence we have used but. And is used to add one thing to another. Okay, and is used for similar ideas. For is used to express a reason or a purpose. Similarly, so is used to mean for this reason. Because is also used to state a reason. Now there are other conjunctions which we may use in the other parts of this lesson. So that will be yet, nor. So we will discuss these conjunctions later on. Okay. Because is used to say why something happens. Okay. So like I bought a sandwich because I was hungry. So here he was telling the reason of bringing the sandwich, the speaker, or I may be telling if here is I, so I may be telling why I bought a sandwich. Okay, so like these, the conjunction word because is used. Now let's revise once more. See, and is used to join words or sentences that are similar, like he is handsome and strong. But is used to join opposite thoughts or things that are different. I like cold drinks, but my sister likes tea. Or you can write, I like coffee, but my sister likes tea. Or I like to read a storybook, but my brother likes to play cricket. Like these, okay? Then, or is used to show a choice or an alternative. Okay? Would you prefer tea or coffee? Like this. Some conjunctions are used to express time. Like before, when, while, until, since, as soon as. You can see some conjunctions may be made up of 1, 2 or maybe more than 2 words, like in this one. As soon as. So let's understand this with the help of some examples. Like before, Anjali had gone to school before I got up. Okay. I always pray to God before leaving the house. So here, before is stating the time that when I have to leave the house, this I do. I pray to God. Okay. So before is telling the time. When, again, Grandfather was at home when I came from school. So he was already at home at the moment when I came from the school. While he dared while she went to meet the teacher. Until the time is over, you cannot leave the exam hall. So till the time passes, after the time of examination is over, then you can only leave the exam hall. So like this, okay? I am standing here since you went out. So since is also telling the time bound, that when you went out, from that time only I am standing here. Okay? From that time, okay, not when. I'm sorry. As soon as I heard the news, I ran to my house. So, when I heard the news, immediately I ran to my house. So, like this, these are used. We use if and unless to join sentences where conditions are there. Okay. Wear a jacket if you don't want to catch cold. So here, if is giving you a condition, either you wear a jacket, okay, then you won't have cold, or if you won't wear the jacket, then you will catch cold. Unless you get the confirmed tickets, you cannot go. So here is also a condition. If you will get tickets, then you will go. Otherwise, you cannot go. Then, the conjunctions of reason, because, as, since. We went to the monitor because we had some work. So here reason is stated. Since you are alone, lock the door carefully. Okay, so when you are alone, lock the door carefully because you are a small child. So you have to lock the door carefully. Though, although are conjunctions that express the idea which is different from what is expected in a situation. Okay, so like though he is rich, he is a miser, or though rich, he is a miser, though poor, he is happy, like this. Okay, although is more formal than though. Many conjunctions can be used in the beginning, like as, okay, or in the middle. As I am not well, I shall not go to the picnic. I shall not go to the picnic as I am not well. So like this. Okay. You conjunctions can be used either maybe in the beginning or in the middle as well. Let's recap once more the conjunctions and their uses before doing the exercise. So and is used for joining similar ideas. Or is used to, yes, to say the choice. So is used when the result is, or reason out to mean show the result, or mean out the reason, or you can say for this reason only this has been done. Okay, because and as or since, they all are used to state the reason. When and while are used to state the time. If and unless are used to state the condition, but, although and though are used to show the contrast in a sentence or join the contrasting sentence. A thief entered their house while they were watching a television. So when they were watching a television, that moment only a thief entered. Okay. I have not met Rohit since the holiday began. Okay. He said that may be also used as a conjunction, that he is sorry for his mistake. Okay. So unless, although, see, although the night was dark, he did not feel afraid. Until, till, also used as a conjunction. Always remember, the use of a conjunction depends upon what we want to say. Like, I shall come to your house if I can. Okay, so there is a condition. When I find time, time is there. Because I want to meet your father, reason is given. But I will not stay for a very long. Opposite contrast is given. And take some rest. So similar idea is shared up or ring you up. Okay, condition is given. So which conjunction you will use will depend upon what you want to say. I hope you have understood. Now let's look at the bookwork.